Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping safe and well in this beautiful weather. My name is Niall, from those of you who haven't met me yet, and currently I am the sales technical representative for a company called Novavita Distribution Ireland, where we have launched exclusive products to the Irish market. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very successful product we launched in 2018, our Regal Deep Cleansing Anti-Dandruff Shampoo with 1% Selenium Sulfide. Very successful product for us, available from your local pharmacy. If you pop over to the site www.novavita.ie, you will see our list of stockists. You could purchase online. If you'd like your local pharmacy that we haven't met yet to stock our product, have them contact us and we can have this product on their shelf in 3 working days. 200ml bottle, clay and menthol fragrance. Will treat all types of dandruff, wet or dry. Also a very effective product for treating oily scalps. I know dandruff is a thing we all get at some stage in our lives, probably more so now than ever with all the stress you're having working at home in these difficult times. So I'm going to explain to you how to use it. Before each application, shake the bottle well. Before every application, shake the bottle well. Apply it to wet hair, the size of a euro coin. Massage it into the scalp with the pads of your fingers. Massage into the scalp with the pads of your fingers. And the secret is, for it to be effective, you need to leave it on 3 minutes. The whole secret is 3 minutes. So if you are using it in the shower, I'd recommend you shampoo your hair first. If you can leave it on 3 minutes, 1 shampoo is sufficient. No need for a second shampoo. Would recommend using it 3 times a week for 2 weeks. So that is 3 times a week for 2 weeks, and then revert to your regular shampoo. If you follow the instructions, shake the bottle before every use and leave it on the scalp for 3 minutes, it will clear the scalp within 2 weeks. Very successful product. Again, available from your local pharmacy, or you can purchase online over on our site www.novavita.ie. Thank you, keep safe and well.